Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the new code on Grow a Garden. So if you go to the settings tab here and go to redeem code, it is RD, why did I say R like that? RDCA awards, or was it award? Okay, it's award. So RDCA award, that's the code. Well, I actually didn't check what the reward item is. Oh, it's this. Wow, that's super cool. So this is the cosmetic that you can get. Yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.